6 things to do to spruce up your home this spring. Eric Hatcher with Century 21, and I see a lot of houses. These items are not just your normal stuff that we do during the spring. These are deeper things. These are items that you can do to be able to bring value to your home that actually makes your house look more appealing to buyers. Outdated things in your home need to be spruced up. So here they are. Let's get into them. Number 1, painting your baseboards and your windowsills. Oftentimes you walk through a house and you go, ouch. You know, our kids, they did plasma cars all the way through. So by the time one winter of them all being in the house, we had to go back and start over every single year. We almost had to paint all our baseboards and our windowsills. Number 2, put an epoxy paint with flakes on your garage floor. Have you ever thinking about doing an epoxy in your garage and to make it really nice and pretty and put the little speckles and little flakes on it to make it look nice and have a clean surface? That really goes a long ways when a buyer walks into a home, into a garage, and sees the floor in a very clean manner. Number 3 is your plumbing fixtures. And some of these fixtures come in style, they go out of style, but just changing your plumbing fixtures of your sinks and maybe your kitchen faucet, things that just make it look a little bit more updated and spruced up. Number 4, change out the hardware on your cabinetry in your bathrooms and your kitchen. Oftentimes I go in, they put a new solid surface on their counters. Maybe they painted the cabinets, which was totally fine. But then they've got these like 1970s or 1980s kind of hardware. Change the hardware. Something simple, they're about maybe $1.50 to $4 a piece. Depends on your taste, because I know my wife picks the $4 ones. But you can actually put those on there and it actually changes things up. Number 5, trim up and limb up your trees in your yard. Trim your limb, you know, with fire insurance and things. You go in, you look at these houses and these trees and they've got like straggling oaks all the way down here. Limb them up a little bit so when you drive up and you actually see that everything's trimmed and cleaned, it makes it look really nice. Number 6, power wash outside surfaces from the winter slime. Sometimes power washing your house, power washing your decks or your sidewalks that have that green winter moss and green winter kind of color on it. You know, power them up, get them clean. And bonus number 7, clean your trash can. You guys have all seen it and you've actually have all smelt it. Disgusting. Where you open up your trash can and then you close it and that lingers for the 5 to 10 more minutes. Well, lucky for us here in the Sierra Foothills, we have the bin bubbler. Down here in the link below is bin bubbler that you're able to reach out to them and they'll come clean your trash can for you. So these are things that you guys can actually do just to spruce up your spring clean and be able to make your house more, let's say, sellable in the future when you go to sell. We'll talk soon, guys. Take care. 6 spring spruced up projects. 6 things, Shannon. Did I spit at you?
No.
Okay, sorry, spit.